All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. Says solve for x. Okay, so reading here we have an inequality, and the inequality says 2x plus 12 is less than 6 plus 8x. All right, so usually when we tackle these problems, the first thing we want to do is combine all the like terms we can on either side of the inequality. We don't really have that option right here because 2x cannot add to 12, and 6 cannot add to 8x because they are not like terms. Okay, so let's start moving stuff around. I'm going to keep my x's on my left and move my constants to the right. So if I want to move this 12 over, what I do is I just subtract 12 from this side, and then I also have to subtract 12 from that side. Okay, and 12 minus 12 is 0, so that goes away. So now I'm left over here with 2x is less than, and let's go ahead and combine those like terms. 6 minus 12 is negative 6 plus 8x. All right, let's keep on going. So now I got to get this 8x off of here and over there, so I just, again, do the opposite. This is plus 8x, so I do minus 8x. And what this is going to give me is, let's see, 2x minus 8x is negative 6x is less than negative 6. And these have canceled. All right, so we're almost done. We have negative 6x is less than negative 6. And we're about to do a pretty logical step. You guys can figure this out. But there's a mistake that happens a lot, so let's be careful. And this is what happens. You see, this says negative 6 times x. Okay, and the opposite of multiplying by negative 6 is dividing by negative 6. And we're good at this by now. But what happens here is this, and it's really important. If you ever multiply across or divide across by a negative number, you have to flip this sign around. And if you don't, your answer will not be correct. It'll be the opposite of what you want. So let's do our math first, then we'll put that sign in. So these cancel, so I have x, okay? And I know that negative 6 divided by negative 6 is actually just a positive 1 because a negative and a negative make a positive, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. And here where this sign says less than, because we divided across with that negative number, it actually now needs to be greater than. And that is your answer. X is greater than 1. All right. If you want to be notified when I make you more practice problems, just subscribe and you'll be notified every time I put one up. And if there's a problem you want to practice or something you want to see, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to make that just for you. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.